Hi guys. First of all, for a start, let me just say that I am a proud Jamaican. Was born and raised here. Still live here. I'm here now. Um, and what I've noticed is over the years, whenever I travel, there's always at least one person who wants to piss me off with a stupid question somebody asks. So today, I just want to address some of the misconceptions and some of the stereotypes that you guys have of Jamaicans. Not all Jamaicans smoke weed. I don't smoke weed. I know many other people who don't smoke weed who have never smoked weed in their life. Where we don't all spend our days getting high. Um, Another one is people think that all Jamaicans are poor. Not all Jamaicans are poor. They actually have very rich people here. Very, very rich people here. And actually, I think some of the really nice houses out here are way nicer than some of the really nice houses abroad. So, you know, not all Jamaicans are poor and, live in shacks. I've been asked before if I live on the beach or if I live in a hut or in a shack or in a tree somewhere. No, I live in a house. I do have internet, I do have cable, I have hot water, all the amenities that you guys have over there. What age are you people living in? I remember somebody asked me if I know what DSL is. Somebody asked me if I know what the brand Prada is. That doesn't even make sense. That doesn't even make sense. Not all Jamaicans are illiterate. Not all Jamaicans are stupid and don't know anything and live under a rock. We actually have intelligent, educated people here who are trying to make a positive difference in the world and who are doing a damn good job at it. Not all Jamaicans are dark skinned, contrary to popular belief. Our motto is out of many one people, which means you have a melting pot of cultures here. You have Chinese Jamaicans, you have Indian Jamaicans, you have black Jamaicans, white Jamaicans, Jamaicans from Spanish descent. All these ethnicities are mixed here. No one, you can walk around here and say that you're Jamaican if you're white, if you're black, if you're Chinese, if you're Indian. And no one really cares. Like, no one really judges you here the way they judge you abroad. Like, I've been asked, oh, you're Jamaican, you don't look Jamaican. Some of you just really need to read more. A Jamaican doesn't have a particular look. I know the media probably painted that image for some of you, but it's time to get educated. I mean, particularly in America, you guys say you're a first world country, and with all this wealth of knowledge, it's still a shame that some of you. What is that? Not staying out there. Anyway, as I was trying to say before, it's even with all this wealth of knowledge, it's a shame that some of you still don't know these things instead of sounding stupid when you speak to somebody from a different culture. You have books, you have the internet, you have all these ways you can learn things. Which other misconception do you guys have? I don't know, many others. But those are the only ones that I can remember at this time. I'll probably post a video with the other ones that I know. You guys can, any Jamaicans who are actually reading or watching, this video can post some of the other stereotypes that you think people abroad have of you. And that's all I have to say. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and you guys actually learned something from it. And you can stop stereotyping now. Bye.